Inception. The history of BMW dates back to 1913, when Karl Rapp established an aircraft engine factory in Munich, Germany. The first commercial product of the company was a six-engine aircraft which became famous for its reliability and durability. After World War I, the company transitioned to building motorcycles and then automobiles using the BMW name, an abbreviation of Bavarian Motor Works. Early stages. Under their legendary 1930s car designer Fritz Fiedler, BMW gained enormous fame for fast, sporty cars like the 328 Roadster, which found success in racing as well as consumers seeking performance. During World War II, BMW focused on aircraft engines before resuming auto production in 1952, gaining massive popularity. In the post-war era, BMW expanded into luxury models like the 501 sedan and built a reputation for responsive handling and driver-focused cockpits. By the 1970s, BMW cemented its identity with sports sedans like the 2002 and flagship 7 Series. In the new millennium, BMW diversified into SUVs and crossovers to great success, along with electric I-Series models. Current status. Today, BMW produces over 2.5 million vehicles annually across 31 production sites globally. BMW recorded revenues of over 111 billion euros in 2021, with profits of over 16 billion euros. The brand accounts for over half of luxury vehicle sales for the parent company BMW Group.